Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today I will show you how to find your LinkedIn URL on both your laptop and mobile phone. I will show this quick activity on the mobile and laptop. So before proceeding, please consider like and subscribe ITPK. And let's get started to make it easy to share your professional profile. In the browser, first let's go to linkedin.com. At linkedin.com, let's go ahead and click on sign in. My email is already connected to LinkedIn, that's why it's getting sign in the browser. So once my profile is signed in the browser, let's go ahead and click on this me icon and then quickly go to view profile. Once I click on the view profile in the browser, I can see that this is my profile URL that I can share with someone else. Okay, so once you have copied this URL, you will be able to share with anyone you want. Now let's quickly go to mobile phone and see how we can share this URL using the LinkedIn app. Make sure you have installed LinkedIn app on your mobile. Let's go ahead and open this LinkedIn app. Once I have opened my LinkedIn app, let's click on the left top corner of my profile and I want to go to my profile here by tapping on my username. Once I tap on the name, then here I can see three dots, and when I click on these three dots I can see share profile via. Let's click on here, and now I am getting the Android app link to share my profile. So let's copy this link. I have copied this link, and now I will be able to share this link to anyone. If you want to check in your mobile browser and you don't have the LinkedIn application, open up any browser you have in your mobile phone. On the right top of the screen, please click on these three dots and then make sure you have selected desktop site. Once you have selected desktop site, let's go ahead and search for LinkedIn login, and then please click on login. My LinkedIn will be logged in automatically because this mobile has remembered my LinkedIn profile login. So I am getting logged in to the LinkedIn. So once you are in your LinkedIn profile from your mobile browser and you don't have a LinkedIn app, please do the same we did on our computer. Click on me button and then click on view profile. Once you will click on view profile, then same as we did in our laptop, tap on three dot here and you will find the LinkedIn profile URL here when you click on the share button. If you want to share this with Gmail, messages or WhatsApp, you can go ahead and share this. But for this example, let's go ahead and click on messages. So once I have selected messages, you can see here I have my LinkedIn profile URL and I can share it now with anybody I want. So that's it about today's quick and simple tutorial on how to get LinkedIn profile URL from your laptop, how to get LinkedIn profile URL from your mobile LinkedIn app, and the third thing we have seen that how we can get LinkedIn profile URL from mobile browser using the desktop site option tick mark. I hope you find this video helpful. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe and support ITPK. Take care. Bye.